Problem statement 2. In puzzle game there is a list of numbers with value of 0, 1 and 2. Participants have to arrange all ones first, after that arrange all zeros and all twos at last. Instructions. System doesn't allow any kind of hard-coded input values/values. Written program code by candidate will be verified against the inputs which are supplied from the system. Constraints. Number list must have only 0, 1 and 2. These are the sample test cases provided. The input has 2 lines. First line has length of array, second line has space-separated integers. Our task is to arrange the numbers of the array, such that all ones should be printed first, then zeros and then twos. Here we have our sample input. In first line we have length of array. Let's take the input, convert it in integer and store it in variable L. In next line we have n space-separated integers. List map converts input into integer and store the list in variable A. For further solution we have to import counter from collections. Counter takes array as input and returns a dictionary, that we will store in variable D. Let's print and check the dictionary. As seen in the output, this dictionary has all the unique elements of the array as keys, and their number of occurrence in array as value. Let's take a for loop, in which I varies for 1, 0 and 2. Let's take another for loop, in which j varies from 0 till the count of I in the dictionary. Let's take ans, a string type variable, to store answer. Answer will now be concatenated with the I values from d of I, number of times. Let's print the answer and run the code. Yeah, we got the required output. Let's delete the unnecessary code. Let's check for another test case. Yup. It produced correct output for both the cases.
Thanks for watching Python Everyday. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch other videos on our channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.